Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to enter the academic details in the application form for admission to PG or PG diploma in Nagaland University. In addition to that, since most of the students are confused regarding documents upload during their application process, therefore, this video will guide you in uploading the documents correctly. So once you enter in the application form for admission to PG or PG diploma, this is the part where the students are not able to enter their details correctly. So once you complete your personal details, next will be the academic details. Out here, you need to enter the name of the college or institute where you have pursued your undergraduate studies. Next will be your education qualification. Here they have clearly mentioned that please specify from class 10 onwards. Note, for UG honors, please mention only the honors subject, marks and percentage. So I'll be explaining about this in the later part of the video. So firstly, you need to enter your details from class 10 onwards. I've already entered all the details out here. The first one will be your HSLC, the second one will be your HSLC, and the last one will be your UG. If you have completed your HSLC from NBAC, which will be Nagaland Board of School Education, you need to write NBAC. If you have completed from CBSE or any other state university, you need to enter the name of the board or college or university and the year of passing, on which year you have completed. The same goes with your HSSLC. If you have completed your class 12 exam, then you need to enter your details here like that. And then if you have completed from CBSE, you need to enter CBSE. Otherwise, if you have completed from any state board, you need to enter the name of the state board or college or university or NBAC for Nagaland students under Nagaland Board of School Education. And the next will be the year of passing. Out here, you need to enter the total marks of the papers. For example, during your class 10 standard, if you have opted for 6 subjects, each subject consists of 100 marks and this will be the total marks. If in case you have not cleared any of the paper, then that paper will not be included in the total marks. For example, if you have cleared all these subjects, then the total marks will be 600. So you need to enter 600. And for the marks of them, you need to enter the marks that you have obtained from these papers. So you need to add all the marks that you have obtained from all the papers, and then you need to enter the total marks that you have scored from all the subjects. So the student have scored 362 marks from the total marks of 600. On the other hand, if the student has not cleared any of the subject, then that particular subject will be excluded from the total marks. So in this case, the student was failed on the mathematics subjects, so this paper will be excluded. So the total marks will be 500 and the marks obtained will be included from the 5 papers only. So this part will become 500, which consists of only 5 papers, and from the 5 papers, how much marks that she has secured, it will be added up in this marks obtained box. If the student has cleared all the papers, then they need to enter all the total marks and then the secured marks of that particular subjects. For example, the student has cleared all the subjects in this class 12 exam, so the total marks will be 600 and marks secured will be 312. In case the student was unable to clear any of the paper, then that paper will be excluded and only the total marks and the secured marks will be added up in the academic details section. So based on your marks obtained and total marks, you need to enter your marks obtained, total marks, multiply by 100, and then you'll get your percentage. So this is how you need to enter your percentage out here. And out here, you need to enter the details of all your subjects that you have taken during your class 10 studies. Same follows with the class 12 standard. Under UG part, you need to enter the name of the university or college where you have pursued your undergraduate studies. So if you have completed your undergraduate studies from Kohima Science College, then you need to enter the name of your college. If you have completed from St. Joseph College Jakhama or St. John College or Patkai Christian College or any other college under NU, you need to enter the name of the college, and then you need to enter the year of passing, on which year you have passed out. Out here, I want to make you clear that you need to enter the total marks and marks of your honors paper that consists of your general paper as well. For example, students under NU affiliated colleges, you'll be having your honors paper and then your general elective paper. So you need to add up the marks of all your general and elective paper from first semester till 6th semester, as you can see on the screen. So the highlighted part will be your general, honors and elective paper. So this is how you need to enter the marks that you have obtained from each paper, and then you need to enter in this part. For total marks, Since for political science department, they have 14 papers, so the total marks for each paper consists of 100 marks. Then for 14 papers, it will be 1400. Likewise, the students have to add the marks of them for each paper, and then they have to enter in this marks of them part. For the science students, they have to enter their practical marks as well, along with their theory marks, and then including their 6th semester project marks. So to make it clear, the students for undergraduate studies under NU affiliated colleges, under art stream, they have to enter all their theory papers. That will be the total marks of that paper, and then they need to enter the marks of them of each paper they have secured during their undergraduate studies. For science students, they have to enter both their practicals and theory marks, and then they need to divide and enter their marks using this formula. On the subject part, they need to enter the subject name along with the honors. In case the students have not taken any honors paper, then they need to enter general. For those students who are joining from St. Joseph University Dimapur, the way to calculate their percentage is a bit different. They need to enter the credit and the credit points on the total marks and marks of them. So I have taken an example here. You need to multiply your credit with a grade point, and then you need to add the papers that you have taken during your undergraduate studies. Out here I have taken 2 papers for sociology department. So you need to multiply both this paper, and then you need to add the points of these 2 papers, and then you need to add the points of the credits. So for credits, the total points will be 9, and then for the credit point, it will be multiplication of credit and grade point plus the second credit and grade point. So it will be 63. So this is just an example for first semester. Likewise, you need to add all the semesters together, and then you need to enter the total credits and then the total credit point, and then you need to use the same formula. Marks of them, this will be your credit points, and then this will be your credits multiplied by 100. So you will get your percentage. This will be for the St. Joseph University Dimapur. For students from autonomous colleges who falls under choice-based credit system, they need to enter the marks based on this chart. So they will be getting a course code, for example CHE or CSC or anything else. So based on the course code, you need to enter the marks of that particular paper only. You cannot enter the paper which falls under ability enhancement, skill enhancement, general elective. So kindly make sure that you have entered based on the course code that you have taken. That includes only your core papers. So this is for the students under autonomous university or institute. Now coming back to the students who want to pursue their studies under MBA, they need to enter all the marks of their subject. If a student have completed their undergraduate studies under political science department, still then when they enter their marks for the MBA studies, they need to enter all the papers. That includes the English, Education, History, Pol Science 101 and Pol Science 102 for all the semesters. So from first semester till 6th semester, they need to enter all the total marks and marks of them of all the papers on the academic details part. They cannot exclude any of the papers irrespective of their honors paper. So this will be for the students who want to pursue their MBA studies. Except for MBA, others they need to enter only their honors subject, which will be their general elective and honors paper. So I hope this video will help you in entering your details for the admission in Nagaland University. Now coming back to the documents upload part, since most of the students are confused on this part regarding self-attestation, so what I can tell you is that you need to take the Xerox copy or photocopy of this mark sheet of all your mark sheets from your class 10, class 12, and then your graduate course, whatever it follows for self-attestation. You need to make your signature out here. After that, you need to scan the copy of your Xerox paper, and then you need to upload on the documents upload part. So this is how you need to upload your documents out here. So this follows for class 10, class 12, and UG all semester mark sheet. For UG all semester mark sheet, make sure that you have attached all your semester mark sheet from first semester till 6th semester. For UG provisional certificate, it's not mandatory. If the student doesn't have the provisional certificate, you can skip this part. For registration card, it is mandatory to upload. For color passport photograph, it's mandatory to upload. Likewise, for the HSLC admit card, you need to follow the same procedure for self-attestation, and then you need to upload your file from this particular tab. So this is the information that I would like to provide in this video. So with this, I want to end my video. Thank you and keep watching Shisak Tombo.